Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed AFREETH. So I'm from Computer Science Department of Manimala Engineering College. So I'm very grateful for the faculty of my department because they have been very helpful for me. They have been giving very much support to all my doubts, and they have been helpful in clearing. So they have provided very much good facility. My college has provided very good facilities of transportations, hostels, and cafeteria of good food. So it has been very comfortable and very much good environment to learn everything. So I am very grateful for my college for that. And the training provided by QSpider has been very helpful for me because it has trained us in every aspects which is helpful for us to clear the training like mock interviews, aptitudes, codings, and everything. So it has been very great. I'm very grateful for QSpiders for training us. So I would like to conclude that I am very grateful for my college for this training.